Problem solving is a valuable skill. It's essential in software engineering and in life. We face challenges every day. Learning to tackle these challenges effectively leads to success. Think of problem solving as a superpower. It empowers you to overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. Whether you're debugging code or planning a trip, the principles remain the same. Imagine feeling confident in your ability to handle any problem. By mastering these techniques, you can develop that confidence. You'll become a more effective thinker and a better problem solver. The first step to solving a complex problem is to break it down. Divide the problem into smaller, more manageable pieces. This makes the task less daunting and easier to approach. Think of it like eating an elephant. How do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. Similarly, by tackling smaller sub-problems, you can gradually solve the larger problem. For example, imagine building a website. Instead of trying to do everything at once, you break it down. Design, development, content creation, each becomes a separate sub-problem. Before diving into solutions, it's crucial to understand the problem fully. Identify the specific requirements, what needs to be achieved. Also, consider the constraints, the limitations you need to work within. Defining clear requirements is like having a blueprint for a house. It outlines the desired outcome. Constraints, like budget or materials, set boundaries for the project. For instance, if you're building a mobile app, requirements could be features like user login and data storage. Constraints might include development time or platform compatibility. Section 4. Tools of the trade, pseudocode and flowcharts. Software engineers use various tools to visualize and plan their solutions effectively. These tools are essential in breaking down complex problems into manageable parts. Two of the most common and useful tools in this regard are pseudocode and flowcharts. They serve as the foundation for planning and designing software. Pseudocode is like writing code in plain English. It outlines the logic of the program without worrying about syntax. This makes it easier to understand and follow. Flowcharts, on the other hand, visually represent the steps in a process using shapes and arrows. They provide a clear picture of the workflow and decision points. Think of pseudocode as a recipe for your code. Just like a recipe breaks down the steps to create a dish, pseudocode breaks down the steps to solve a problem. It breaks down the steps in a logical sequence, making it easier to follow and implement. Flowcharts are like maps, showing the different paths and decisions in a process. They help in visualizing the entire workflow and identifying potential bottlenecks. These tools help to organize thoughts and clarify the solution. They provide a structured approach to problem solving. They also make it easier to communicate ideas to others and spot potential issues early on. This collaborative aspect is crucial in team environments where clear communication is key. Section 5. Thinking like an engineer. Logic is key. A logical and methodical approach is essential for effective problem solving. Avoid jumping to conclusions or making assumptions. Instead, analyze the problem, gather information, and test potential solutions systematically. Imagine you're a detective solving a case. You wouldn't just accuse the first suspect. You'd gather evidence, follow leads, and use logic to reach a conclusion. Similarly, in software engineering, testing is crucial. It helps to identify and fix errors, ensuring the solution works as intended. A logical approach ensures a robust and reliable solution. Section 6. Real-world problem-solving, software engineers in action. Software engineers use these problem-solving skills daily. They debug code, design algorithms, and optimize performance. Every day, they face new challenges that require innovative solutions. Whether it's a minor bug or a major system overhaul, their expertise is crucial. These tasks require breaking down complex issues, understanding requirements, and applying logical thinking. They must also communicate effectively with team members to ensure everyone is on the same page. Imagine a software engineer fixing a bug in a mobile app. They need to understand the user experience and how the bug affects it. They'd first reproduce the bug, ensuring they can see the problem firsthand. This step is crucial for accurate diagnosis. Then, They use debugging tools to trace the issue to the specific code section. This involves a deep dive into the code base, looking for anomalies. They then apply their knowledge and logic to find a solution. This might involve rewriting code, testing new approaches, or even consulting with colleagues. This problem-solving process is not limited to software development. It extends to all areas of technology and beyond. It's applicable in various fields, from designing bridges to managing projects, and even in everyday life scenarios, demonstrating the versatility of these skills. The ability to solve problems efficiently and effectively is a valuable asset in any profession. Section 7. Beyond the code, applying problem-solving skills in everyday life. The problem-solving techniques used in software engineering are valuable in everyday life. These techniques are not just confined to the realm of coding and technology. They can be applied to a wide range of situations and challenges that we encounter daily. Whether you're planning a vacation, resolving a conflict, or organizing a family event, these skills come in handy. Or even fixing a leaky faucet, the same principles apply. The principles remain the same. Break down the problem into manageable parts, understand the desired outcome, and consider the constraints you are working within. Use logic and a systematic approach to find solutions. This methodical way of thinking helps in making informed decisions and finding effective solutions. These skills empower you to tackle challenges effectively and achieve your goals. By mastering these techniques, you can navigate through life's complexities with greater ease. You become a more confident and capable individual, ready to face whatever life throws your way. This confidence stems from knowing you have a reliable process to fall back on, ready to face whatever life throws your way. Embrace these problem-solving skills and make them a part of your everyday toolkit. Remember, problem-solving is a skill that can be learned and improved with practice. The more you use it, the better you become at it. So keep practicing and refining your approach.